and why you might want to do the same first. Don't judge an egg by the color of the yolk or the shell. These days, yolk color can be manipulated with feed additives, so it doesn't reliably tell you how nutritious the egg is. What really matters is how the chicken was raised and what it was fed. That's what determines the quality of the egg. A lot of the labels you see can be misleading. Free range doesn't always mean the chickens are actually outside. Cage-free just means they're not in cages. Grade A refers to appearance, not nutrition. And vegetarian fed usually means they're eating grains like soy and corn, not their natural diet. If you can, go for pasture-raised eggs or get them from a local farm. Now let's get into why eggs are so powerful. Eggs have one of the highest quality proteins you can get. Your body can actually use more of the protein from eggs to build and repair tissues compared to most other protein sources. And when you eat the whole egg, not just the whites, you get better absorption, and a lower insulin response. Eggs are also rich in choline, which is essential for brain function and supports the liver. It helps break down fats and can even protect against fatty liver. Along with that, eggs contain lecithin, which helps regulate cholesterol in the body. Speaking of cholesterol, eggs tend to raise HDL, the good cholesterol, more than LDL. So for most people, they're not the problem they've been made out to be. Eggs are also loaded with key vitamins. Today, we're going to talk about why I eat 4 eggs a day. They contain vitamin A in its active form, which supports skin, vision, and the immune system. They provide vitamin D, which many people are deficient in, and vitamin K2, which helps direct calcium into the bones instead of the arteries. They also have vitamin E, which supports the heart and skin. On top of that, eggs are packed with B vitamins, important for energy, the nervous system, and overall metabolism. You also get omega-3 fatty acids, especially if the eggs come from pasture-raised chickens. These are important for brain health and reducing inflammation. Another major benefit is the carotenoids in egg yolks, lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients support eye health, protect the retina, and help filter out blue light from screens. They also play a role in brain function. Now, how you cook your eggs matters. If you overcook them, you can destroy some of these nutrients. Better options are soft-boiled, poached, or over easy. If you're scrambling, cook them gently. Don't overheat. As for how many to eat, it depends on your body. If you're smaller, 1 or 2 eggs might be enough. If you're bigger or more active, 3 or 4 makes sense. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense, efficient foods you can eat. Simple, affordable, and incredibly powerful for your health. Subscribe to the channel and stay healthy.